Como, cook. Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba, uba, ba, uba.
Oh, you want French fries. Today, we're making crispy, salty French fries. Chef Como, let's cook. To make French fries, we need potatoes. Let's get some potatoes from the field. Don't get them confused with lookalikes. We found them all! Ew, you're filthy! Let's get washed! Now you're clean! Time to chop, chop, chop! All done! Next, we fry them up. Farting French fries! Nice and crispy! Yay! Crispy, salty, yummy French fries! Dig in, Uba! What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como! Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba, uba, ba, uba.
Oh, you want a sandwich. Today we're making a sandwich with many delicious ingredients. Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make a sandwich? Let's find the ingredients. Blocks? No, we can't eat blocks. Then bread? Bingo! We need soft bread. Do we need ham? Yes, we do. What else? Chocolate? I guess not. How about cheese? Wow, correct! What about fish? No, not fish. Then lettuce?
Wow!
Yes, fresh lettuce it is. A tomato might be good too. Sweet and tart tomato. We found them all. Now let's prep the ingredients. Don't forget to toast the bread. Okay, let's start building the sandwich. First, spread the sauce. The blue sauce? Ew, no. Then how about yellow mustard? Yay, bingo! Next, let's stack the ingredients. What would be good? Oh, lettuce, of course. Then, blocks? Uh-oh, that's not right. Tomato slices? Ding ding, correct. Now let's add some yummy ham and some cheese. Let's top it off with the sauce. Brown sauce? I don't think so. Then red ketchup? Wow, good job! A yummy sandwich! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat? Oh, you want a jiggly pudding. Today we're making pudding with tart blueberries on top. Okay, Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make pudding? Let's find the ingredients. A sock? No, we can't eat a sock. Then gelatin? Bingo! Jiggly wiggly gelatin! Do we need milk? Yes, fresh milk it is. What else? A soccer ball? I don't think so. Then sugar? Yay! Sweet sugar! How about soap? Nope, no soap. Some blueberry syrup?
Wow!
Correct! Sweet and tart blueberry syrup. Oh, and some real blueberries too. Yes, fresh blueberries. We found them all. Okay, first we must boil the ingredients. In boiling hot water, add the gelatin. Sugar too. And the milk. Now the pudding mix is ready. Next, let's pick our pudding mold. Find the shape that's the same as the pudding below. Is it square? Oh, nope, it's not square. A heart shape? Or a star shape? That's not it either. Then which shape is it? A flower shape? Wow, bingo! We're going to make a flower-shaped pudding. Pour in the pudding mix halfway. And plop in some fresh blueberries. Then fill it up with more pudding mix. After letting it cool in the refrigerator, you get jiggly, jiggly, wiggly, wiggly pudding! It's time to decorate. Which syrup should we use? Banana? Chocolate? Blueberry sounds good. Finally, the topping. Blueberries, an orange, some chocolate, and cherries. Let's go with blueberries. Ta-da! A yummy blueberry pudding! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Toto, are you hungry? What do you want to eat?
I want a yummy boxed lunch.
Oh, you want a boxed lunch. Today we're making a tasty boxed lunch with Gomo's face in it. Chef Gomo, let's cook. Introducing the ingredients.
Rice, 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 rice. Egg, 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 egg. Carrot, broccoli, carrot, broccoli. Sausage, shrimp, cheese stick, sausage, shrimp, cheese stick. Watermelon, orange, kiwi, strawberry.
New ingredients. First, let's cut the veggies and fruits. Ta-da! All done! Next, we need to make fried rice that's yellow like Gomo's face. Add curry powder. And mix. Hello, egg! Let's make egg white garnish. Smells delicious. The sausages are getting cooked too. Don't forget the fried shrimp and cheese sticks. Now let's start packing. Make the rice round like Gomo's face. The egg garnish goes on top like an eggshell. Use the carrot for the crest and bill. And with the egg whites and dried seaweed, make the eyes and brows. Wow, it's an adorable Gomo! Now let's place the yummy sides around Gomo. Yay! A cute and delicious Gomo box lunch! Dig in, Toto.
It looks good.
What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Gomo. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba.
Oh, you want dumplings. Today we're making warm and pillowy dumplings. Chef Gomo, let's cook. What do we need to make dumplings? Let's find the ingredients. A teddy bear? No, we can't eat a teddy bear. Then a carrot? Yes, a crunchy carrot is needed. How about chives? Bingo! Fragrant chives. What else? A cactus? No, a cactus is too prickly to eat. Then a mushroom? Wow, mushroom it is. How about ice cream? Oh, ice cream melts, so no. Dumpling wrappers?
Wow!
Correct! Dumpling wrappers are a must. And maybe some tofu. Soft and healthy tofu. We found them all. Wow! A carrot garden. Hey, Toto, wanna pick some carrots? Oh, hey, Uba. Can you help Toto? Yay! A carrot! This time, let's get some mushrooms. Woohoo! The veggies are picked! Now let's mix the ingredients to make the filling. Wow, the filling looks delicious! Time to form the dumplings. First, place a wrapper on the cutting board. Next, put some filling in the center. Then seal the wrapper. And you get a cute dumpling! Finally, it's time to steam the dumplings. See you when you're done, dumplings! It looks like they're ready. Let's open the lid. Wow! Warm and yummy dumplings! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba, uba, ba, uba.
Oh, you want a cupcake. Today we're making a cupcake with strawberry frosting and a cherry on top. Chef Como, let's cook. What do I need to make a cupcake? Let's find the ingredients. We found them all! Now let's make the batter.
Wow, 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 wow!
Pour the batter into the cupcase. Place it into the oven and bake. Ta-da! The cake part is done! Now it's time to decorate it. Which frosting should we use? Banana? Chocolate? Let's go with strawberry. Next, some pretty sprinkles. Which one should we pick? Rainbow sprinkles? Ah! Hearts it is! The final touch, a fruit topping. Cherries, an orange, some chocolate, and blueberries. A red cherry's perfect. Ta-da! A yummy cupcake! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Are you hungry, Gomi? What do you want to eat? Oh, you want rice cakes! Today, we're making sweet and chewy rice cakes. Chef Como, let's cook! To make rice cakes, we need to make rice. Let's look for the rice cooker. Where is the rice cooker? Is it this? No, this is a mixer. Is it this? No, it's an electric kettle. Where's the rice cooker? This is hard. What's this? Whoa, it's juice now. This must be a blender. Then what is this? Yay! We found the rice cooker! First, let's put the rice into the cooker. Next, pour in some water. Okay, rice cooker, take it away. Wow! Warm, fluffy white rice! Now let's put the rice into a wooden mortar and pound it. Hammers ready! Wow! Chewy, gooey rice cake! It's stretchy! Let's make it into smaller pieces. Whoa! Soybean powder is falling like snow. Yellow soybean powder rice cake! Look! Beans are scattered everywhere. Whoa! The beans are sticking to the rice cake! Yummy bean rice cake! Let's put the rice cake through this machine. Wow! A long rice cake log! Rice cake logs are yummier when cooked. Toasty warm rice cake logs! Enjoy, Gumi! What should we make next time? Oh look! Gomo and his friends are on the sea! Uba, are you hungry? What? You're going to catch him some fish? Wow! There are so many creatures under the sea! Huh? Gomo caught something! He caught a big mackerel! Gomo, try and catch something else! Wow! Gomo caught a plump shrimp! Wanna go again? What will Gomo catch this time? Oh, a webfoot octopus! Chewy webfoot octopus! Wow, Gomo caught a lot! Good job, Gomo! First, let's cook the webfoot octopuses in boiling water. Next, in a pan, add onions, green onions, red peppers, webfoot octopuses, a spicy sauce, and mix. Yummy webfoot octopus with a red spicy sauce! Now put some olive oil into a pan. And add garlic, tomatoes, broccoli, some pepperoncino, and mix. Then throw in the shrimp. Something is missing. Oh yeah, toasted baguettes. Yummy gambas al ajillo. This time, let's put some olive oil into a pan and cook the fish. Then add some butter and asparagus. Finally, garnish with some herbs. Yummy pan-fried mackerel! Wow, they look delicious. Dig in, kids. What should we make next time?
See you again.
Hello, kids. It's hot these days, isn't it? Today, we're making yummy and refreshing shaved ice desserts. What do we need to make shaved ice? Let's go through the list. We need sweet red bean paste and some fruits.
Yay!
Sweet condensed milk and chocolate syrup. No chocolate syrup. Then chewy rice cakes and jellies. Some chocolate cookies too. But no milk, chocolate ice cream, or chocolate syrup. Guess we're off to the market. Okay, let's get our ingredients. First, chocolate ice cream. Yay, correct! What's next? Orange juice? Oops, nope. Oh, that's right. We need chocolate syrup. Next, we need milk. Yay, we're done shopping! Ingredients are ready. First, let's make the ice milk. Wow, it's frozen stiff. Now we have to shave the ice milk. The ice is shaved. It's time to cut the fruits. Cut the banana into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut the kiwi into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Lastly, cut the mango into 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! The fruits are cut.
Yoo-hoo! Yo! Ooh! Shoo! Yoo!
Squirt on the condensed milk. And woohoo! Yummy fruit shaved ice! Squirt on the chocolate syrup. And wow! Yummy chocolate shaved ice! Yay! Sweet red bean paste shaved ice with rice cakes! Dig in, kids! What should we make next time?